Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to extract contour from SRTM DEM 30 meter and visualize it in a Google Earth 3D. So let's begin. First, go to your area of interest. For that, I'll use HCM GIS. This is also a plugin. Go to base map, Google Maps. I want to download and DEM and create contour for this area, this hilly region. So I'll put it in my extend and go to plugins, manage and install plugins, write SRTM downloader, check OK. As I already have this in my QGIS, so I'll close it. You need to install it. OK. Then again go to plugins, click on SRTM downloader, click on set canvas extend and click on download. For that, you need to have your login account in earthdata.nasa.gov. You can register here and you will get username and password. Click on OK. OK. These two tiles gets downloaded. Now you can select your tile from which you want to extract contour. Now, if I want to have contour from this much area only, I can clip this raster. So go to raster, go to extraction, then clip raster by extend, select your raster, your DEM, and click on this drop down, draw on map canvas for this much area only. So you can check from here. Now again go to raster, extraction, click on contour, select clipped portion. Now you can give interval. I'm giving it 100 meter and run. Interval. Close. See, contours are generated. These are very close contours. So what I can do, again I can go and I can change my interval. Extraction, contour. I'll keep 500 meter interval and run. Close. Oh, I have selected the wrong one. So it has come like that. Again, extraction, contour, and input layer should be clipped. And now I'll keep it for 500 and run. Close, see. So these are my contours for this area. Now I will visualize it in a 3D format in Google Earth Pro. For that, you need to have a Google Earth Pro in your laptop or PC. So just go to the Google Chrome browser and click on download and install Google Earth Pro and you will get it. So as I already have, so it will automatically open. First, I'll have to export this contour as KML. Now, select folder, contour 1, as I already have contour, so I'll giving the name contour 1 dot KML, or you can keep it like that. Save. Okay. So now go to this is my file, KML file. I'll double click on it, and it will open Google Earth. You can change the style. Just click on it and right click properties, style and color, sure style. Okay. See, you can visualize it here. And if you want to check the value of your contour, just click on any contour. You will get the elevation level. I hope you like this video and find it valuable. So kindly share and subscribe Supreme GIS. Thank you.